So, are you ready for the test that will reveal whether your eyesight is your superpower or not? Like, can you cut through steel with your heat vision or something? No? Well, we all know that the eyes are the windows to the soul. Do your windows need cleaning, or are they crystal clear, giving you a sharp picture of the world? Take this test to find out. There will be 4 stages, and each one will get harder and harder. The first stage might seem like a piece of cake unless you're actually seeing a piece of cake, in which case we have a problem. But the further we go, the more concentration it will require. In fact, only 8% of people can pass stage 4 because it's so difficult. You'll have the same task for every question in all the stages. Pick 1 out of 10 colors that is different from the rest. To pass each stage, you have to find the odd one out in every task. If you fail even once, you fail the entire stage. No pressure, so sharpen those eyeballs. Here's stage 1. Okay, that one was easy. I have no doubt you were able to find the odd one out here. Done with stage 1? That was just a warm-up. 97% of people succeed at this stage. Now, on to stage 2. Moving up on the difficulty scale, this one will require more attention. Let me take a look. Yes, I knew it was number 10. Still winning at it? Stage 2 is over. Did you make it? Give a thumbs up if you did. If so, you have healthy, average eyesight, just like 55% of all test takers. The challenge is getting tougher and tougher. Get ready for stage 3. Wow, that was subtle. These 50 shades of turquoise aren't really that different, are they? Oh, wait, I see it now. Done with stage 3? Congratulations to those who made it. You stand with the 30% of people who got this far. If this was the stage where you failed, don't be discouraged. You can actually improve your eyesight, and this video will tell you how. And now it's time for stage 4. Caution, this might change your life, because you may discover some superpowers within yourself. Ready, set, go. Are you kidding me? These colors are identical. Oh, who would have thought that was the odd one out? Let me clean my screen. Maybe that'll help me solve this one. No way. I thought it was number 4. Wait, what? Unbelievable. Done and done. Congratulations to all the superhumans out there who made it. Your eyesight is fantastic. 92% of people failed at this task, but you managed to rock it. There's a chance you might be a tetrachromat. This fancy word refers to people who have more receptors in their eyes than others and can see more shades of different colors. Now it's time to share your results. Did you make it through all 4 stages? If you failed, which is totally fine, at what stage did it happen? Let's discuss it in the comments section. If you like this video, let us know by hitting the special like button and sharing it with your friends to see who has the sharpest eye. If this video gets 60,000 likes, we'll share another fun test. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it, as well as other updates. Join us on the bright side of luck.